In this video, we're going to discuss about how we can add a JavaScript into the HTML document. First of all, let's create here the new file and name as add.js.html, and let's use the boilerplates from here. And I want to change this document into the add.js in HTML document. After that, you can add JavaScript into HTML document in two ways: by using the script tag inside the HTML document, and another way is using a JavaScript file in another file, right? So you can use like the JavaScript code using the script tag. We have already talked about the how we can print hello world in JS in that video. We have talked about the script tag, right? And if you want to add JavaScript inside your HTML document using the script tag, then you can use script tag inside the add section and then the body section. If I type here the script, and if I type here document.writeLn or write only, if you put the writeLn, then it will more readable, right? And you can write here the JS insert message. And if you click on the go live options from here, this code is running and you got here JS inserted message in the browser. Also, you can put this script tag in the body section. And if I put this in the body section, then you got the same message over here because you are inserting this as JS file inside the script tag. So this is the one way you add the JavaScript file, or you can set the JavaScript code in HTML document. Another way is you can create your own JavaScript file. So just go to new, just click on the create new file, and then just write here you can give the file name whatever you want and just put the extension add.js. And if I type here the document.writeLn, and then if you give message here JS inserted SSCCSSFULLI successfully. And if you go to the browser, nothing is happening here. If you write here the external JavaScript file, then you have to link this external JavaScript file into your HTML document. You can add, or you can say that you can link external JavaScript file into your head section, or you can add into the body section. If I want to add this file in head section, you just type the script src. You have to use src attribute over here, and you just have to give the JS file name index.js. And this is done. And if I can go to the browser, now I got this JS inserted successfully. Also, you can add this script file into the body section also, or inside the body tag. Now also I got the same message JS inserted successfully. In this way, you can add JavaScript code into your HTML document. In upcoming video, we'll discuss about how we can change the structure of the HTML document using the JavaScript. We'll discuss about how we can change the content of the HTML document, attribute of the HTML document, and many more things. And also we'll discuss about the function and how does function work and many more things, right? If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you so very much.